How to change avatar in Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, click on the avatar or Bitmoji at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right. And here you want to click on Bitmoji. You will be redirected to this page right here, where you will be able to change the outfit, and edit the Bitmoji, and choose a selfie. And you can always unlink the Bitmoji and recreate a new one that suits you and based on your needs. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the Snapchat avatar or Bitmoji. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.